Energetic Waist Beads, and I'm here with another Create With Me video. So this what you see right here is the calm before the storm. I have all my crystals lined out of what I'm using in today's set, and this set I call the Nubian Sun, and it's really inspired by the sacral and root chakras. The crystals I'm using in this set is the Carnelian and the Garnet. So the Garnet is a stone of commitment. It's a powerfully energizing and re-energizing stone. It cleanses and re-energizes the chakras, revitalizes, purifies, and balances energy. Carnelian manifests courage and promotes positive life choices. It's also a stone that helps you trust yourself and your perception. It grounds you and anchors you into the present reality. If you would like your own Nubian Sun waist bead, please feel free to visit my website, energeticwaistbeads.com. I have the link down below, and we're going to stay tuned to see our end design, and thanks so much for watching.